wiring requirements for your 240 volts A/C unit are as follows. The voltage is 240 volts. The ampacity is 20 amps. Use a 12/2 AWG American wire gauge wire with ground. For circuit protection, use a 20 amps double pole circuit breaker. To wire the A/C unit, firstly, run the 12/2 AWG wire from the circuit breaker to the A/C unit. Secondly, at the A/C unit, connect the black wire to terminal 1, the red wire to terminal 2, and the bare ground wire to the ground terminal. Thirdly, make sure all connections are tight and secure. Fourthly, turn on the power and test the A/C unit. Always use proper wire connectors to make all connections. Run the wire through conduit or along studs to protect it from damage. If the wire run is longer than 50 feet, you may need to increase the wire size to 10/2 AWG. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician if you are unsure about any part of the installation.